afternoon for everyone who will follow me about what I'm going to tell you, and depending to the time we will watch this video. So now I'm going to tell you how we can make map enlargement and ways or method we can use to make the map reduction and map enlargement. So today we have map reduction, and enlargement. Map reduction and map enlargement. So as when you say a map, first of all you understand what we call a map. A map is the representation of physical features and human features on the sheet of a paper. So when we have a paper and we can draw a map depending to the scale proposed, then the map can be a big or can be a small. So when we say the map reduction. Map reduction. First of all, we have what we call the base map. The base map is the map which was made according to the purpose what to perform. So then we take this map with its origin size. Then after we reduce it in the smaller size. This is what we call the map reduction. Map reduction is the reduce the size of the base map. So we have two ways we can use to make the map reduction and the map enlargement. First of all we list them. The first one is making the squares. I explain this one. Here, example, we have the map. Let us suppose here the map of Africa. Here we have the map of Africa. We know there is the line which is divided into different parties. There is the line which are the longitude and the latitude. Latitude are the horizontal lines which divide the different part of the if. These are the latitude lines. So, and there is another which are vertical, which call it the longitude. longitude line. Longitude line. Longitude lines. Longitude lines. So here we have we are observing that here, from here up to here and here and here, this is a square. We can use the ruler, then we measure the distance from here up to here. Let we suppose that it is 6 centimeter by each side. So then we want to reduce this map at the by 3 centimeter. Then we take the side of square, then divide it by 3. Then remaining 2 centimeter. 2 centimeter of side. So after we have seen that the side of the square remain 2 centimeter. Here we come to draw the new squares, which has the 2 centimeter. Then we suppose here is 2 centimeter. Here we divide the different squares which has the side which is equal to 2 centimeters. Here you see the size of this side is bigger than this size. Means here the side equal 2 centimeters. Here side we have made the squares which has the 2 centimeter by each side, while the previous has the 6 centimeter. Then we have reduced the size of the square, which also helps to reduce the size of the map. Then we draw our map here. As you see, this map is smaller compared to this one. This is the first method which can be used to make map deduction and map enlargement. The second method, is triangle. Triangle. So we know that the triangle, we can draw here a triangle. Suppose this is a triangle. Our triangle, when we draw here a map of Africa, and we draw a map of Africa here, and we draw here a map of Africa, we know there is a line line by line by line. As we have said, it is longitude and latitude. Here, according to the near the base of triangle, we have the big triangle. And here in middle, we have the medium triangle, the map of Africa. And here we have the smaller map according to previous two maps. You see here the direction of the map. From here we have the big map. Determining how we move where we are to go the front of where we have stayed, then we get the smaller map until reaching the corner of the triangle to form the smaller one. This is the second method of map deduction. Okay. Let's check about enlargement. Okay, let's move on to the map enlargement. Map enlargement. Enlargement. When you say here enlargement, it is made by two. N and enlargement. Enlargement is to make something to be big. We have the smaller map and we make it to be big by increasing its size, its scales. So map enlargement is the way by which a map, the base map, can be decreased. So as the previous one, if you have understanding how to make any reduction of map, the simple one to understand how we can make the enlargement of the map. We have the first one method is like use the squares as the previous one. Here we have the squares which form it by longitude and latitude. Here we draw our map of Africa. You see this triangle? We suppose that each square has 2 centimeters. Then we want to increase our map. We want to enlarge the map by 4 or by 2. Then if we want to enlarge our map by 2, we take the side of square, then multiply by 2. So here we have the squares. The squares which are big, which are double to the previous one. You see this one are totally different from this. Then we draw our map accordingly. See, so you see here, this map, it is smaller than compare this one. This is the first method you can use to make the enlargement of the map. The second method is using the triangle. Let's consider as the previous one. Here we have said that, or we have seen as the previous. This is let's take it as the example for enlargement of the map. Before or the previous example, we have considered this triangle as map reduction, where we have considered from here to here. So now we have considered from here up to here, from the corner of the triangle to the base of the triangle. As you know, by the concluding about this one, the triangle, using triangle by map reduction and map enlargement, it is depending on how you count from one to another. We have seen that in the enlargement, we count from here up to the base. We make from the corner of the triangle to the base of the triangle. The map which is the near to the base of triangle, it is larger map according to the which one it will be in the corner. Okay, thank you so much for watching this video as AMIEL+MATH with geography. This is the name of the channel. You can give us the subscribe and continue to be with us and when we make the new video, you get it on time. Thank you so much for your attention and patience.